Look, listen and say. Sa, sa, sa. Sa is for Sue. Za, za, za. Za is for Zoo. Sha, sha, sha. Sha is for Shoe. Sue is at the zoo, but she's got only one shoe. Silly Sue has lost her shoe. What is she going to do? Look, listen and say. Soap, zip, zoo, sock, shoe. Look, listen and say. Za, za, za. Za as in treasure. Za, za, za. Za as in measure. Za, za, za. Za as in leisure. Measure, measure, measure. Treasure, treasure, treasure. Measure your treasure in your leisure. Look, listen and say. Treasure, measure, leisure. Click on the words and find the differences in the sounds you hear. Treasure, measure, leisure. Jug, jump, jeep, zebra, buzz, prize. What do you see in the pictures? Click on the pictures to find out. Zipper, zebra, buzz, cup, treasure, zoo, jug. Circle the picture that have the sound S. Underline the pictures that have the sound SH. Do nothing to the pictures that have the sound Z. Look and say. Sun, soap, sandwich, shirt, sharpener, ship. Choose the pictures that have the sound Z. Zebra, zoo. Do activity N from your textbook.